Assalamu alaikum class 9. Today we are going to start unit number 4, data communication and computer network. Students, our first topic is basics of data communication. In this topic we will discuss about what is data communication terminologies, signals, data rate, baud rate, how to calculate baud rate, SNR, sound to noise ratio, components of communication system and properties of good communication system. Now let's start. What is data communication? Data communication refers to the sharing of a virtual message, exchange of data between two devices via some forms of transmission medium such as wire, cable is data communications. Students, here we need to know about sender and receiver. A device that sends data called sender and the device that receives data called receiver. Data is transferred from one device to another in two ways. The first method is wireless method. In this method, data is transferred in one device to another without wire. For example, mobile has no wire, that's why it is called wireless communication. Second one is wire method. In this method, we use wire for data communication. Students, our computer contains digital data. The data transmission, emission of data in any direction via wireless or wired medium. Transmission may occur between source and destination. Now let's talk about some examples of data communication. For example, if you email from your computer to another computer, or you call from your mobile to another. Further, when you browse your net like Google, YouTube, Facebook, it is followed by a computer called server. Students, there is data communication between your computer and server computer. We can say that with the help of data communication, our world has become a global village and all the people are connected to each other. Now let's study about basic terminologies of data communication. Number 1, data. Collection of raw facts and figures is called data. The text, numbers, symbols, images, voice and videos which are processed by computers and digital devices are called data. Signal. Signal means there is a movement happening in your surrounding and you are getting any information from that movement. In data communication, if we have any charged particle, when it flow means move, it produce electronic current which generate the signal called electronic signals. There are two types of electronic signals, analog signal and digital signal. Analog signals are continuously varying signals or waves that change with time period and used to represent data. The second one is digital signal. A digital signal is an electronical signal that is converted into a pattern of bits to represent a sequence of discrete values at any given time. It can only be one of the finite numbers represented as 0 or 1. Now the third one is bit rate. Bit rate or data rate is the rate at which data is transferred from one location to another. In other words, it measures how much data is transmitted in a given amount of time. Data rate or bit rate is commonly measured in bits per second, bps, kilobytes per second, kbps, or megabytes per second, mbps. For example, internet service provider that is providing you the internet, usually its starting speed is 1 mbps. It means where the internet is coming from, there are 1 mbps transferred to your computer. 1 mbps is your connection speed. Net runs very slow in 1 mbps. Then you call your internet service provider and increase its speed. The transmission media like optical fiber, wire or internet wire within which the data travels is done in bit form and these bits leads to electrical signals. We count the bits inside it from sender to receiver and see how much bits transfer in a second. That is called data rate, baud rate. The change in electrical signals in 1 second is called baud rate. As you know, data travels in the form of signal. It has a high voltage inside it that represents 1 and the low voltage that represents 0. There is the next word is change. Change in electrical signal means if the signal is lower to high voltage or higher to low voltage, then this change is called baud rate. Baud and bit rate. Baud, how many times a signal changes per second, and bit rate means how many bits can be sent per time unit, usually per second. Bit rate is controlled by a baud and number of signal levels. The fifth one is signal to noise ratio. Signal to noise ratio (SNR) is a measure used in science and engineering that compares the level of a desired signal to the level of background noise. Students, it is a ratio in which the ratio of noise power and signal power is extracted. These two values divided among themselves, and its answer tells us how much error exists in transmission media. The unit of noise ratio in dB. This shows about the quality of data transmission. Students, if the signal to noise is greater than 1, it means signals are stronger than noise in our transmission media. And if the signal to noise is less than 1, it means noise is stronger than signal in our transmission media. If you ever come across a noise while talking on mobile or phone, it is because your SNR ratio is less than 1. Now let's talk about components of a communication system. Number 1, message. It is the information or data to be communicated. Common form of information include text, number, audio and video. Number 2, sender. It is a device that generates and sends a message. It can be a computer, telephone, handset, etc. Number 3, receiver. Any particular digital electronic device which has capability to receive data in form of message. Number 4, medium. It is a channel or path through which the message is carried from sender to the receiver. Number 5, protocol. Protocols are the rules and procedures on which computers exchange data on network. Your homework task is do question number 1 to 4 of chapter Data Communication and Computer Network. Allah Hafiz.